Hey YouTube, here's what I got for you today. I'm going to show you an unboxing video of my rough country lift I actually bought. I chose that over the Bilstein 5100s purely because of budget, and I'm hoping it's going to be a good solid lift. Here's a video on it, and hopefully get it put on by the end of the month. Here's a box right here. I'll show you what's in it. This lift does fit a 05 to 18 Tacoma. Got a lot of stuff in the box. Looks like they didn't want to leave me alone and sent me some decals. They also sent me some instructions. And it looks like a label so I can remind myself to get it retorqued. Show you what's in here. Here's the block right here. If you can see that, it's kind of tapered. Very solid construction, thick metal. This box was very heavy. So that looks like the rear part of the lift. 2 extended U-bolts. Here's the differential drop, big solid aluminum plates. Bunch of hardware right here. These are bushings for the rear shocks right here. And 2 solid aluminum, well, very well machined. Aluminum spacers for the front. They are kind of thick right here. I've noticed, I've seen other videos on YouTube talking about the thickness of this and how it looks like it could crack. They are thick right here. I was actually recommended this lift through another dealership. Actually, I will mention them. They're Haley Toyota. They do lifts on Tacomas at their dealer, and this was their top rated lift. Looks like I might be these decals might actually go on the shocks because I don't see a decal on them, so that might be what I do with them. The shocks are a lot bigger than factory. Now again, what is this? Okay, so this is something like on the windshield. This is a windshield sticker. It says Rough Country Suspension Systems. So those other ones are pretty positive are for the shop. So this is my video and unboxing on my rough country lift. I just want to let you know when I get it put on, and I'll do another video trying to compare the before and after, the height, rear, everything. So just stay tuned for my next video.